In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook inside of Canva using simple templates. So first, you got to sign into your Canva account or create one. So go to the top, type in Canva, CANVA.com. Click enter. Okay. And with this tutorial, you can use the free plan. So what you do is you go to the sign up button in the top right corner and click. And you can sign up with your Google account, with your Facebook account, or with an email. Like I said, it is free. There is a pro option, but you can do that later once you start making money. Okay, once you signed up, you can hover over this corner over here in the right-hand corner. And since we're going to create an ebook, we want our ebook to be 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches tall. So we're going to click this button, this custom size button, and we're going to choose inches. And then 8.5 wide by 11 tall, and we're going to create new design. And since we are using templates, I'm not going to be creating this from scratch. I'll be using the templates inside Canva. So on the very top, under the search templates, make sure that the templates tab is clicked and type in book. And here you'll find a bunch of different book covers you can use. And if you hover over the book covers, you can see that they say free. The ones that aren't free will have a gold crown icon with the word pro next to it. And you're going to need the pro account to use those. So let's go ahead and scroll down and try and find the one that I'm looking for. Let's use the Blackwoods Mist cover. So we just click this. It is free. That's our cover applied to our first page. To add another page, we click this Add Page button. And you can click in here and change the color up here. Or with that selected, we can just delete the color, make it white. Okay. To duplicate a page, you go to the very top under this duplicate icon and click it, and it'll create a new page, duplicating the one above it. And to delete a page, we go to the trash can and click the delete page button. So I want to add 3 more pages. So I'm going to duplicate this page 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. So now we have a total of, including the cover page, 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Now let's go to the top and rename this page to whatever we want to name it. We'll call this the Blackwoods Mist ebook. Okay. And over here, it shows you if the document is saved or not. As you can see, it just switched. And Canva autosaves, but what I would do if you make large amount of changes, I would go to the file settings and click save just to make sure. So now let's add the interior of our small ebook. And we're going to use a template as well for that. So up at the top, delete book in the templates area and type in magazine. I find that the magazine interiors look better than the book interiors. Click enter. And I'm going to scroll down until I find something that kind of relates to the outdoors and forests, maybe a hiking or camping interior. Okay, so let's choose, let's choose this hike one. And as you can see, this has 5 pages. So when we click it, we can choose what pages we want. So let's choose the blank page and make sure that's highlighted with the blue square. And we want to choose this one. Scroll down, click the 3rd page and choose this. 4th page, choose this. And finally the 5th one. There we have a book template to download. Now let's kind of match these colors a little bit better. So we're going to click on the edit image, go to colors at the top, choose this plus icon, and we're going to choose this eyedropper, click it, and we want a bluish color. So let's choose, choose this one. As you can see, it adds it to our document colors. Now we can click out and go back. So we change it back to our forest. And what I want to do is first, if you notice this Canva symbol and the grid, I mean this image is not free. And if you don't have a pro account, then you have to pay for each individual image. So we're going to first switch out these images to free images. And to do that, you just click in the image and click delete. And now we have our image frame. So go all the way to the left under photos, click photos, and let's type in hiking. Okay. And we can hover over them and see that these images are free. Some of them are for pro. So let's choose this one. Snap it inside. There we go. And scroll down and let's see. This image is also not free. So we're going to delete this. And let's type in backpack. And let's see. We have this free one right here. We'll place inside. And let's do a few tents. Let's type in tents. There we go. We can take this and delete and put this inside here. Also this. So if you go to the top and click download, down at the bottom it'll say how many premium images you have. And if you open up the arrow and scroll down, it'll show you which one is premium. Each premium image is $1, so they can add up. So let's go ahead and click out of here and go to the image that was not free. This one. Go ahead and delete. And let's see, let's try this one. Pop it in. Now all our images should be good. Go to the top, and as you can see, the premium images area is gone, and we can download this for free. First, I want to change the colors of this just to make it match better. So let's go ahead and change this. Click the color area. I'm going to change it to the color that we chose out of this page. And let's see, we can do the same thing to here. Click here. Click the color. And choose that grayish blue. The same thing to here. And like that. And this text here we also want to change. So when you click text, it's the color icon underneath the A. And change that. Okay. Now we have this little image, or this little element right here, this triangle element, which hasn't changed yet. Change this. And what I want to do is I want to bring this bar and copy it up on top so there's not white space here. So I'm going to scroll down and choose the element. And we can go to the top and click the duplicate icon. Let's move this up and keep scrolling. I'm going to put it just right here. There we go. And with the element still selected, we'll go to the top where it says position. And we're going to move backwards. As you can see, now we can see the text. And we're also going to change the color of this text as well. Go to the top, under the A icon, and choose that gray blue. And that's how you create a simple ebook inside of Canva using just simple templates. So to make sure this is saved, even though it says all changes saved, I like to save it manually just in case. You can go to the top and click download. And we want to make sure all pages is selected. You can click here and choose what pages you want. But by default, it's going to have all the pages selected. So under file type, we click the button. And if this is going to be just a standard ebook, we can click the PDF standard. But if this book is going to be printed by the customer, like a real book, then you're going to want to choose the PDF for print because it's higher quality. For now, this is just a digital download. So we're going to choose PDF standard. Again, make sure these pages are selected, all of them, and click download. And then it'll ask you where you want it to be saved, and you just click the save button. So that's how to create a simple ebook in Canva using just templates. Now you want to be sure to not use the exact template. You want to change things up as far as text and titles, and even the background image. You just want to change these up as well, and of course, change the text. This is just an example of how to get started with creating ebooks inside of Canva. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take this flat image and turn it into a 3D book cover image. You can show this to your customers. It just makes it look like a more tangible and physical element, even though it's a digital download. With that said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.